Hey guys, it's Robsy back with Paperless X, a channel dedicated to easing your digital transformation. In today's video, we're going to be going through everything you need to know about Things 3 for 2023. If you're new to our channel, hello. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you know each time we release a new video. And if you're already subscribed, fantastic human, welcome back. Things 3 is a to-do list app that is available for your iPad, iPhone, Apple Watch, and Mac. You have to buy it for every device you want to use it on, which can be expensive. However, it is still better than paying a subscription because all the purchases are one time. You can try the app on macOS for free to see if it's the right one for you. This review focuses on the iPad version of Things 3. Creating new tasks in Things 3 is intuitive. You are unlikely to miss the massive blue plus icon. The app is minimalist, so you won't waste time with too many unnecessary options for creating a task. You can add formatted notes with headings, lists, and some code. The app supports Markdown, which will help if you prefer using that language for writing your notes. Things 3 supports start and due dates, as well as reminders. You're not going to be missing any deadlines with this app. We love how it tells you how much time you have to complete each task. You can repeat your to-dos, and Things 3 has all the options you need for that. You can also decide when the repeat ends, which could be on a specific date or after a certain number of repeats. Tasks that repeat tend to pile up in your app when you don't complete them. That is why we love the option to repeat a task only after you've completed the one before it. Things 3 gives you options to repeat a task after a certain time has passed since you last completed it. Tags in the app are universal. They work for all your tasks, projects, and areas in the app. They're easy to manage, and you can even nest them if you need to. Nesting tags is not very useful considering how the app is set up. If you use Things 3, let us know if you found nesting tags useful. Tags in the app help you filter your tasks, which is handy. Though the checklists are very basic, we love them because the Markdown ones are not that easy to use. Checklists under your tasks will work for a shopping list or packing list without the headache of Markdown. But you can't use them for any complicated plans, so having subtasks in the app might be helpful. There are several other ways to create to-dos in Things 3. You can add them from other apps or send them to the app from an email. If you also use Apple Reminders, you can easily import your task from there into Things 3. And the app also displays your events from Apple Calendar, which is awesome. This integration makes Things 3 an excellent Get Things Done app for anyone in the Apple ecosystem. The app calls your lists projects. In any to-do app, a collection of tasks is a list, no matter what the developer chooses to call it. Like your to-dos, lists or projects in Things 3 are easy to create. They have due and start dates with repeating options, and you can tag them and complete them as well. They're also easy to duplicate, which is decent considering the app doesn't save templates. Lists feel like tasks, and that is simply amazing and rare to find in a to-do app. You can even add markdown notes to your projects in Things 3. If you have a complicated task, you can break it down into smaller parts under different headings, which could eliminate the need for subtasks. In Things 3, you can move both headings and tasks to other lists, or convert them to lists. There's a lot of flexibility when working in Things 3, and we love it. As you complete your tasks, they get dimmed and removed from the list. You also get closer to completing your project, and the app highlights that for you, which is motivating. The app also notes when you complete each task, and that is great for tracking your work in case you need to refer back to it once you've completed the tasks. The logbook in the app is a smart list for all your completed tasks. When you don't remember the list your task is in, you can use it instead. It has tag filters, which help to find what you're looking for. Areas are groups of lists in Things 3. They can contain both tasks or lists/projects. We've not seen this in any other to-do app, so this is very interesting. You can tag your area, and we look forward to add notes in this section because this is the only part in Things 3 where you can't add notes. You can quickly search for anything in Things 3: dates, projects, tasks, areas, tags, and even settings. This is the most comprehensive search tool we have ever seen in any app. It's quite impressive because searching can help you quickly find what you're looking for if you rely on it. Things 3 has 2 widgets that you can add to your iPad home screen. The first one displays the task you need to complete today, and it comes in 4 sizes. The second widget shows tasks for several days. Multiple instances let you open the app twice. You can also split view with other apps, or even open the app as a slide over window. The app supports True Dark Mode, which automatically switches the colors in your app. Scribble works for those that prefer handwriting. You can convert your handwriting in real time in the app, so you don't have to ever type in Things 3. You can just handwrite everything using Scribble. Things 3 has smart lists, undated ones, and those you've already completed. The app also lists your projects and areas on the sidebar. You can effectively get up to 4 levels of organization in Things 3, which is enough for a Get Things Done app. You can select multiple items to edit them at once, and even duplicating them. We're still waiting for a recycle bin though. There was a time when Things 3 was the most amazing to-do app on the market, but times have changed. Though the developer still actively maintains the app, we've not seen significant updates in years, and that means the app is now missing a lot of crucial features that are basic in 2023. Lack of collaboration and support for attachments makes Things 3 a difficult to-do app to use. Its limited Apple Calendar integration and no integration with other calendars also makes this app ideal for very few people. You can consider using the app if you want to stay in the Apple ecosystem, if you don't collaborate with anyone, and if you want to avoid subscriptions from other Get Things Done apps. And that brings us to the end of this video. We hope you found it useful. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Let us know what you think about Things 3 and if you'll be adding it to your workflow. Thank you, Fantastic Human, for watching. See you in the next video.